Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, fresh from the Instagram feed right to the YouTube channel. We got a mail call from Skybeards. So I'm going to show you exactly what came in this thing after I roll that intro. Alright, YouTube, thanks so much for staying past that intro. I know. You already know what we're going to take a look at. It's like one of my stupidest running jokes ever on my channel. I'll show you what came in here as you're clicking on the thumbnail knowing exactly what came in there. But that's okay. So, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for finding this video. I know your life, your minutes, your time is your most precious commodity, and I'm very thankful you're giving me some of it today. I hope to earn more of it. If I don't, thank you for watching this one. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, don't worry, I'm going to give you two ways in this video to do it. Here's the first. Look down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up down there. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Click on it, hover over it, whatever. Knock it out the way early, and you're going to feel better about yourself for the rest of today. All right. As you all saw by that, little thumbnail intro or whatever you clicked on to get in here, we're going to take a look at the Skybeards sample pack of their beard oil. Now, the one thing that caught me instantly is they're like, oh, we're going to include a sample of all the oils that we have. All right, cool. Seriously, flat out cool. So, I already emptied out the envelope right now. So, what came in it, and it already made me go cool, was that with a thank you on the back. I thought that was cool. The other thing that instantly grabbed me, and I'm assuming he's the boss, but we'll get there in a moment because I have a lot of questions about this company. Okay, what turned me on to them is I saw a post from someone a little while ago that basically said they found a beard oil that smelled like Fruity Pebbles. I was like, dude, wow, really? That was one of my favorite cereals as a kid. But I didn't buy it then, and I kind of blanked on Skybeards, period. Well, I believe it was for like a Boss Man Brands beard oil thing I put up. And they responded, hey, do you like this beard oil? Do you like this? If you'd like a change, give us a look. And that was on Twitter. So I was like, okay, cool. Took a look out there, and I went, wow. You got a sample pack with everything for an incredibly cool price. Done. Sold. Yep, there we go. I paid $8 plus whatever in shipping to get a sample of all of their beard oils. I will tell you for a fact, I'm wearing the Fruity Pebbles right now. It is freaking phenomenal. The moment I got the bottle open, got it in my hand, started to rub it, I was like, fuck, I want cereal. I got it on my face, I'm rubbing it in. My kids all day long are like, why do you smell like blueberry? Why do you smell like vanilla? Why am I smelling chocolate? I'm like, what the fuck are you smelling chocolate for? I haven't had any today, and this doesn't smell like chocolate. But still. Now, here's my little problem with this company. All right, it's just my problem. They don't have squat for information about their company on their company web store. There's really not an About Us page. The only reason I know they're made in the USA is that right there. They're out of Spring, Texas. I saw on their Facebook page they've only got like 42 likes, and one person went, I will proudly support a veteran-owned company. Okay. I went back, took a look at their web store. I didn't see anything that said they were veteran-owned until I went to their Instagram page, and I went, oh, well, there it is right there saying veteran-owned. I know there's some other stuff I wanted to get here. Okay, got that. All right. Now, they offer some incredible scents, but I'll run those down really, really quick. Their scents are basically barbershop, bay rum, blueberry ginger, Bones Bar, Dreamsicle, Fruity Pebbles, Gummy Worms, Island Breeze, Orange Lavender, Raspberry Lemonade, Sweet Tea, Texas Leather, and Watermelon. I don't think I got one of everything because I got 7 total. And I write off more than 7. But that's okay. So I got 8 oils for basically $8. I'm cool. But on their website, it says you're going to get one of everything. So, I don't know. The oils and the ingredients that they use are argan oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, and fragrance. And they were very huge to say. They use just like 1 drop of fragrance per these many parts, so they're not overblowing, they're not giving allergies, and they're not doing stuff. So, all right, I get that. Now, this is the thing they sent their samples in. I will tell you, this is more than enough for what I have right now for 2 applications, and I think that's cool. So, like I said, I'm using Fruity Pebbles right now, and it coated incredible. It felt amazing. And I'm still smelling it 7 hours after application. I am. I put it on about 5:30 this morning, and right now, as of July 2nd, it's 12:51. So I got Fruity Pebbles. Where'd that go? So it says, look for the hint, BG, so I'm assuming that's blueberry ginger. Sweet tea. M-O-W. Watermelon. Cool. Oh, cool. Texas leather. BS. What the? Oh, barbershop. And I will be honest with you, I have no freaking clue. It looks like a BW, but I don't see. Oh, orange lavender. Okay, had to turn it a little bit more. That's cool. I am a lavender fan, so the one drawback I had with these this morning while applying the Fruity Pebbles, it seems to trap oil right up here, and you have to clear it out an awful lot, which is another reason I probably gave it a little poker stick in there. I just went, blew it out. It was pretty easy, turn over, just pop that out, turn it over, and just start tapping. You got to clear it every so often. Coated, no problem, coated easy. Now, if you guys are unfamiliar with beard oil, it's real simple. It's a vitamin supplement for your skin. All right, your body can only produce so many healthy oils in order to keep your beard growing out, keep it growing healthy, keep it from drying out on the split ends and all that crap. So beard oil has 3 great purposes. It's that vitamin supplement, softens your beard, and makes your beard smell incredible. Basically, you get the amount you need right in your hand, rub it together, warm it up, and work it all the way down into your skin, comb your beard out. And you will seriously, you'll feel it. You get it in there, you start combing, you're like, oh God, that smells great. Now, I like the fact they reached out. I really do. Those of you who watch my videos, I like doing homework into a company, especially if it's a vet-owned company. I'm going to invest money in there, and I'm going to promote the hell out of it. Like Johnny Slicks or Chesapeake Beard Co. Speaking of those 2 companies, look up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard, beard care, skin care, hair care, whatever we've done right up there. So I will promote the crap out of a veteran company. I'm a vet. I want to invest my money in veterans. I want to help promote them, and I want to help my brothers and sisters grow. But it's like you're not giving me a lot here. I want to go to your web store. I want to see your backstory. I want to see your history. I want to learn about you. Not just, hey, Fruity Pebbles smells awesome. Take my money. I want more Fruity Pebbles. I want to know that, you weren't dishonorably discharged. I want to make sure that, I'm not sending money to someone who I just sit and go, what the, over, That's just me. I don't know about anybody else, but that's just me. I'm not bashing you guys, Skybeards. I'm just going, give me more, please. Can you give me more info? Can you send more info to your webpage? Because I seriously love the Fruity Pebbles. I really, really do. I'm probably going to invest in another 1-ounce bottle of it because it took me by surprise and I really, really liked it. And I'm glad that I did the sample pack because I've done sample packs with other companies. I've uploaded one. I have another one filmed as of doing this video that I have yet to upload. So depending where it falls and depending what I grab that morning, this may not make sense to people. The only thing that's really going to screw people up is the beard because some of the older ones, you guys know I had long bushy. Then I rebooted and I had a trimming accident recently, so I just took it back down to the sides and the goatee. But that being said, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything down below in the comments section. Right off the bat, I will tell you, handwritten notes always, 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 always impress me. And sorry for the dinging. Okay, whatever. Nothing important. I got a little family emergency going on, that's why I left that on. But I want to know your guys out there, your experience with Skybeards. Have you ordered any? You know anybody who's ordered any? Have you had any great success? Any failures? Do you know any more information about Skybeards than I do? Because I would like to be informed on a heck of a lot of stuff. I like your product, I just want to know more. You know? Now, with that stuff being said, here we go with the wrap-up. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for viewing, this video. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Hopefully I've earned more of your viewing time. If not, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, well, why not? Don't worry, here's your second chance. We believe in redemption here on the channel. Look right down there. You're going to see a huge symbol popping up. It's going to be, a big old channel logo. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and clicked that, go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Perfect question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two. You guys already know where they're going to go. Going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The Skybeards Sample Pack Beard Oil. Thanks so much for watching this video today, and I hope all of you have a great one.